Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front on your grille, as well as your chrome bumper with your tow hooks and your parking sensors there. You also have halogen quad headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 18-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. Now up here we do have our heated exterior mirrors. Now they are the tow mirrors, so all we gotta do is push them up just like that, and then they sit like that and they look very nice. Help you when you're towing something. You also got the turning signals on them there. And coming all the way around to the back, you do have a massive 8-foot box back here. You got your 4x4 badging and your SLT badging. You also have right down there your parking sensors. Now, you got your backup camera there. You can open this guy up. Looks great back here. Massive 8-foot box, as I did say. Looks fantastic, and there's lots of room. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. Then you don't have to go outside and be all cold and gross. Now we can unlock and take a look on the inside here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks here, as well as this guy does bring in new mirrors. You have some chrome accenting there, handle here, some storage here, and more just down here. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable seats, very soft. You do have the controls over the seats right here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. Then right up here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press it in, it does have your fog lights and your in-cabin light control right there. Right up here we do have the controls over the high beams, turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. In the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, oil, all that good stuff in there. Now it does also say what channel we're on, which direction we're facing, what gear we're in, and the temperature outside. We can change that around to our vehicle info. You got your fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, your audio, your stored messages, your screen setup, and your speedometer. Now that is control from right here. You have your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options are on the other side. On the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down button there, as well as you got this guy, which is your gear shift. When you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera hanging out right there, keeping you nice and safe. Now you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tabs if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, all that stuff. Or you got your controls over heated seats or heated steering wheel. You have your Uconnect apps right there. You have your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation here, so if you hit view map, you will see we are on Recreation Place. Then you also have your phone options if you have one hooked up. Now down here we do have the controls over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have our volume up and down. You have your mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, then your tune room browser over there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off auto, then you have your front and rear defrost. You have your trailer brake there. You have your traction control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, tow and haul mode. You got your exhaust brakes and your front and rear park sensor, sorry. Then you have some storage just in there, some more right here, and some cup holders here. In the center, you got your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders here, and an aux cord and 2 USB plugins over there. Close that up, open this guy, you got lots of storage just in there. Then over here we do have our top layer and our bottom layer for our glove boxes. And right up top here we do have our universal garage door opener, as well as this one does open up the back window. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have the controls over your windows. You have your handle, another handle here, some storage, and some more right down there. Looks great back here as well. Underneath here we can fold this up. We got some storage just underneath there. As well, you can fold this down, and then you sit flat just like this, and then you got some storage there, extra room if you did need it. And then as well, you do have some room just underneath the floor mats right there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.